Okay, got a little motor mount here, do a little install on this skiff. So pick whichever side you want it on, port, starboard. Here obviously we're limited, we got a little side pull anchor action. So you're gonna slide that motor mount up, sitting flush against your transom plate. Go ahead and make a tick mark at where your bolt location is for side to side. And then you're gonna slide over here. You wanna set this inside your inside gunnel. So we're gonna go ahead and make another tick mark at where those bolts are. Take a square of some sorts. Got an engineering square here. Line that up with my mark. Tick there. Line that up with my second mark. Tick there. Line it up at the bottom. And connect the dots. Okay. So these two X marks will go right on those bolt locations. You're going to want to drill these out with a 5/16. Probably want to step up through your bits, 1/8 inch first, 3/16, 1/4 inch, then 5/16. Once you get to that, you'll have a little bit of wiggle room on each bolt. And then these bolts right now, depending on what boat you have, what transom plates you have, what finish you have, you're going to go one size up in bolt. So these are a 2-inch bolt. We need to go up to a 2 1/4. On your standard Pro Guide boat with varnish, you're going to have a 1 3/4 bolt. You're going to go up to a 2-inch bolt. If you got questions, give us a shout.